What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. So if you're a YouTube content creator and you want to bring your audio to the next level wirelessly, or you're a college professional and you want to bring things to the next level, or you're an up-and-coming movie maker and you want to go all wireless with your audio, remember, audio is very important for making YouTube videos and content. And an Amazon seller called KIMAFUN have sent me out the wireless solution for review. So we're going to unbox this and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's go to unbox the KIMAFUN wireless microphone. It's 2.4 gigahertz mini wireless microphone here in a box. It's really good. The presentation is nice. When you open it up here, this is what you get in the box. All right. So you get your instruction manual. Boom. All right. And when you look at inside of the box, you get some unique things here. You get your splitter here, which is the 3.5 mil splitter, which is really nice because here you can connect the receiver and a headphone to here so you can monitor your audio, which is really neat. Also in the package, you get the lavalier mic, which is a very unique thing here. I use wireless solutions all the time, and the lavalier mic is very good. This is what I use here on this YouTube channel. And here you get a clip because you do have the receiving transmitter, all right? And the transmitter, you put this on a clip, boom, and you put this on your side. So this is great, really good, all right? Also, you get in the package, you get your charging because you do have a receiver, all right, and you have a transmitter. And both of them have to be plugged up, and it uses USB, which is really neat. Because what you want to do is you want to charge both items at the same time, so you could do that. And you could use your regular cell phone charger to make this happen. All right, so you do have extra accessories here because believe it or not, these things get worn out and you definitely need this, especially if you're filming outside. So these come in very handy, and you get an adapter. This by any chance you need to have that nice thick plug. Boom, so that comes also in handy. Put that to the side. And right here, which is really neat, right? This say if you don't want to use the lavalier mic, you can use the over the head mic with the microphone in front. And I'm gonna test both of them here in this video. So this is really neat. This is nice to have right here. Boom, so you can be versatile. All right, so you do have the transmitter and the receiver. All right, so you have both of them here. Boom. So the receiver is the one that plugs into your 3.5 jack, all right? And your transmitter, which is this one right here, you have your plug here that you could plug to the lavalier mic or the other headset, and you put this on you. So let's go and take a look at this. All right, on both sides, you got your on off buttons. All right, and you do have your charging ports. So you got your charging ports, boom, right there. And on this side, you have your volume. Well, volume is going to be very important, especially if you want to get that good sound. All right, guys, so let's go to pair the receiver and the transmitter up. Now, at a full charge, they claim in 6 to 8 hours of runtime. We had to put that to the test, and I'm gonna have to let you know how that works. So one thing you want to do is you want to turn both the receiver and the transmitter on. You're gonna see it's blinking here, and when they pair with each other, boom, you see the pairing process. Really simple, really easy to do this. Now, one of the things that you have to do with the receiver is you have to plug it into a 3.5 jack, or you can have the adapter. So I got my camera here, and I want to plug this up, and I want to plug it up to the mic jack. just like so. So now I have this fully plugged in, and I'm taking off my other mic so I can have this plugged in. And so this is ready to go. And this part here is going to go on me. And I'm going to plug up either the lavender mic or the other headset to this here, so y'all guys can hear the audio coming out of the wireless mics. All right, so here's an audio sample of the KIMAFUN wireless mic system. And I do have the wireless mic here pinned on me, and this is the transmitter. Now, it is a solid blue color, which I'm looking at my camera on over there, and it's also showing a solid blue color. So you could pin this here on your belt clip, and you all good to go. I just want to kind of give you guys an audio sample here of the wireless mic. Now, look. I've been using wireless mics for a very long time. I don't know how I can record any videos without a wireless mic. Wireless mics come in so handy, and I do appreciate of having a wireless mic. So as you can see, I have it pinned on me, and it is a very professional look, especially when you can make it nice and stealth. So using a wireless mic is a phenomenal thing, and it's a must-have if you're a YouTube content creator that make videos for a living. So having wireless mics, it's a relatively cheap price for good audio, and to have the flexibility to walk around and not be tethered. That's the key to success. Now, they claim it 6 to 8 hours, and trust me, 6 to 8 hours is a very long time, especially in recording sessions. So I am going to switch and put the headset mic on so you guys can hear the audio coming out of the headset. So check this out. All right, so this is the headset mic, and one of the unique features of having this mic is that it's nice and snug on the head, and you can walk around and have more of a conference. Now, a lot of people use this on stage and professional settings and stuff like that. You got your mic close to your mouth. One of the things that you have to understand by having the mic so close to your mouth that you don't have to speak as loud. Again, I have the transmitter here, and you can have this nice and stealth, you know, on your belt clip and stuff like that. So this is a pretty nice setup, and I probably use the lavalier mic, which I still have it right here. I probably still use the lavalier mic in professional settings, but this is for like the college, you know, professor that want to walk around the classroom and just kind of talk to the students and stuff like that, or, you know, some type of old school type thing. And yes, it has a nice snug fit, so you're not going to have any issues there. And yes, you can kind of rotate this up and down, and it rotates really good, you know, kind of going up and down. So yes, this is a very professional look here. We're looking at these type of mics, and I really appreciate that, because I am a huge fan of wireless mics. Now, in the beginning of the video, I was using my wireless mic, and then this part of the video, I'm using this mic. So you can kind of rewind the video and go to the beginning and listen to the audio file compared to right now, and you let me know down in the comments below. I will leave all pricing and information down in the comments below if you want to know where to pick this up on Amazon. So I want to give a huge thanks to the Amazon seller KIMAFUN for sending this product out for review. I will leave all product information down in the description below. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the wireless mics in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Look, this is fun, right? And this is a must-have if you are a content creator. Listening to mics so you can move around at your leisure. You don't have no issues, no problems by using wireless mics. The lavalier mic and the headphone mic, it comes in very handy. And I think that the audio quality here is going to be fantastic. See you guys on the next video. Peace.